Everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and happy 4th of July to you. It's July 5th today, actually, so it was a great night last night, and I'm here to show you a 16 by 66 front-loaded prime. Now, what I mean by that is we've got a kitchen right at the front of the home, which makes this home perfect for a lake property or going into a park, and our prime home series is a very nice home series. We built it with a 2x6 standard wall and also a 200 amp electrical service. Here we go. This is what I mean by wide open and front loaded. So we've got an included island, 2 windows looking out the sink. I just love when the window is looking outside when you're doing the dishes. We've got urban oak on the cabinets, Aluma marble on the countertop. And this customer has added a gas stove with an 18 cubic foot refrigerator, and I just love these new cabinet colors. So warm on the cabinets, cooler on the top. Wide open to the living space. Down the hallway, we're going to see bedroom number 2. 3, room in that order, and we're going to have our 200 amp electrical service back there in the panel box. Here comes the primary. Into a very spacious primary closet. You've got your vanity and your mirror right here. Hello. And then a walk-in shower. That's going to be included as well. What a great home. This is our economy series. We wanted to create a home series that everyone could afford. So we came up with the Prime Home series. We've got many variations of floor plans available in a single and a double. We're going to have an open house on September 19th. Going to be some big savings and some giveaways. Give me a call. Let's meet. 260-383-1009. As always, thanks for watching.